Hey everyone, I am Emirhan and today I'm gonna show you how to solve Natas levels 0 to 10 step by step. So let's jump right in. First of all, let's open Burp Suite. Then click the Proxy tab and hit Open Browser. Alright, now let's start with Natas 0. The username is Natas 0 and the password is also Natas 0. And it says you can find the password for the next level on this page. So let's right click and view the page source. And there it is, the password for Nadas 1. Alright, now we are in Nadas 1. This time right clicking is blocked. But of course we can easily bypass that. Just open up Burp Suite, go to the target tab and check the response. And there it is, the password for Nadas 2. Now we are in Nadas 2 and it says there is nothing on this page. Let's open up Burp Suite and check the response. We notice a files directory and it's also shown in the target tab. Let's go ahead and visit the folders. Inside there is a file called users.txt, so let's open it up. And there it is, the password for Natas 3. Alright, now we are in Natas 3. It says the same thing, so let's right click and view the source code. There is a little hint, not even Google will find this name. That means there is probably a robots.txt file. Let's open the robots.txt file. And it points to a secret folder. Let's open this folder. Inside we find a user's txt file. Let's open that and there is the password for Natas 4. Alright, now we are in Natas 4 and this time it's checking for a referrer header. So let's fix that using Burp Suite. First copy the address, then open Burp Suite and turn on intercept. Send the request to repeater. On the right side under the request headers add a new line. Name is referrer and paste address here. Let's hit send and there it is. The password for Natas file. In Natas 5 it says access is allowed, we are not logged in. So let's press F12, go to the application tab and check the cookies. Here we can say cookie name logged in with the value 0. Let's change that to 1 and refresh the page. And there it is, the password for Natas 6. Now we are in Natas 6 and we got input field here. Let's view the source code and we see a reference to includes secret.inch. Let's open that file and inside we find the secret code. Just copy it and paste it into the input box and there is the password for Natas. In Natas 7 we have a home and about page. If we look at URL, we see page equal about. So let's try a basic LFI. Reading ATC passively doesn't work, but we do get some errors, which is a good sign. The Natas page says the password is stored on the server. So let's try reading that file. And there it is, the password for Natas 8. In Natas 8, we got another input field. Let's view the source code and we see an encoded secret. It's being decoded in 3 steps, so we need to reverse that. Copy the secret and open CyberChef. First, apply from hex, then reverse, and finally from base 64. Now we have the decoded value, copy it and paste it into the input field, and there is the password for Natas 9. Now we are in Natas 9 and we got a search field. Checking the source code, we see it uses grep, but we can bypass that and inject commands. First type anything, then to bypass grep, just add a semicolon. Of course, we want to read the password file, so we add cat and password file. And just like that, we got the password for Natas 10. In Natas 10, we have the same setup, a search field with command injection, but this time some characters are blocked. When I searched about this, I found a working payload. So here's the trick. First add a dot and a asterisk, then the pad to password file, and finally a hash to command out the rest. Submit it and there is the password for Natas 11. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe for more videos like this and more upcoming Natas levels.